How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. Why a narcissist will shout, scream and yell at you. Why a narcissist will be very angry with you. That is the title of this video. Now, if you're dealing with a narcissist, we know who they are. These are demons, they are monsters. These are individuals who are very cruel, sadists. The main mission in your life, their main mission is to destroy you. Their main mission is to punish you. Their main mission is to hurt you, is to cause pain. Their main mission is to manipulate you. Narcissists are manipulators. These are individuals who lack empathy. They are selfish, self-centered, egocentric, egotistic individuals. They only focus on their needs. It's always about them. They need to be on the spotlight. They need constant attention, constant validation, constant praise, constant acknowledgement, constant recognition. That is what the narcissist needs. Now, why does this narcissist scream, yell, and shout at you? Why do they have these angry or explosive outbursts? Why? Why do they have this intense anger? Why do the narcissists have these sudden fits of anger? Why do they become verbally or physically aggressive? Why do the narcissists have this inability to control their rage? You know, that is what you are looking at in this video. Now, narcissists will yell, scream at you, shout at you because of many reasons. First of all, we know that there are certain factors that cause narcissism, and that is, it can be early childhood trauma, such as abuse or neglect and invalidation of the narcissist's emotions. It causes them to bury their true self and hide their internal injuries behind that false persona built on lies. Again, narcissism can be because narcissists are they have this highly sensitive temperament, and they are very reactive to feelings of shame, and this can make them, have those rage responses. Again, the other thing is narcissists have this unstable sense of self-esteem. It makes them feel as though they're at risk of being found out, and they can swing into narcissistic rage. Again, they're very envious of others. Now, when you're dealing with a narcissist, you have to ask yourself, why do the narcissists shout at you? Why do they scream at you? Why do they yell at you? The narcissist will scream, shout, and yell at you because, number one, maybe they're not getting their way. When a narcissist is not getting their way, when they make that unreasonable request, for instance, if they ask you to do some favors for them or work longer hours to finish an assignment they've given you, or to work over the weekend, or to work on a project last minute, if you refuse this requisition, this unreasonable requisition from that narcissist, they may lash out at you with narcissistic rage. They will shout at you, they will yell at you, they will scream at you because they are not getting their way. Remember one thing about narcissists: they hate rejection. They hate to be told no. So when they don't get their way, you're not listening, you're not going to say yes to their request, then they will yell at you, they'll scream at you. The other reason why the narcissist will scream and yell, shout at you, is because you're not giving them enough attention. Remember, narcissists need constant attention, constant validation, constant attention. That is what they need most from you. So if you're not giving them that, they might become jealous. If you are giving attention to someone else, they might become very envious and jealous, and they will yell, shout at you. They might scream at you. Again, the narcissist might scream, shout, yell at you if they feel that they are losing control of you, or if they're losing control of situations. Now, the narcissist, if they discover that they can't control you anymore, if they try using their manipulative strategies, their controlling strategies, they try to gaslight you and they are not succeeding. If they try to request you to do something for them and you are not saying yes if they need attention from you and you're not giving them that attention, you're not giving them that validation, you're not recognizing them in any way, they will feel that they're losing control of you. Narcissists need to be at the limelight. They need to be at the center of attention. They need everything to revolve around them. So if they're losing control of any situation, they might get extremely angry and they will yell at you, they will shout at you, they will scream at you because they've lost control of you or the situation. Now, another reason why the narcissist will shout, scream, and yell at you is because you've criticized them and they're reacting to certain criticism. There's nothing the narcissist hates most than to be criticized. When you criticize the narcissist, they will be extremely angry with you because they believe they are perfect. They believe they are superior beings. They believe they are special. They are unique. They are important than everybody else. If you dare criticize them, they will be very angry with you. They might scream. They might shout at you. They might yell at you because they hate criticism. Remember, narcissists have this unstable sense of self-esteem. They are empty shells. They lack empathy. So when you criticize them, if you remind the narcissist that they're not perfect, they will shout, scream, and yell at you. The other thing about narcissists, they hate getting caught doing something, especially something wrong, because they believe they are perfect. They care so much about their reputation. If you point out to the narcissist that they are lying, if you point out to the narcissist that they are cheating, they will turn things round. They'll turn the tables round and they'll make you feel that you are the one in the wrong. They'll make you feel that you are the one who's making a mistake. They'll make you feel that you are the one who's lying and cheating. They will shout at you. They will scream, yell, because you've got them doing something. If you catch the narcissist doing something wrong, something that they don't want you to find out, they will scream. They'll be crazy. They will shout, and you'll be shocked. What's happening? Now, what are the consequences of narcissists shouting, screaming, yelling? What happens? What are the consequences of this narcissistic rage? Number one, it causes more conflicts in families and relationships. Again, it causes breakups of relationships. When the narcissist shouts, yells, screams, it easily causes relationships to break up. Again, it makes people not want to be around those narcissists. When they yell and scream and shout at you, you'll want to avoid them. Shouting and screaming will make the narcissist lose friendships. Again, it is closely associated with financial challenges and problems, because it can easily create a disaster. Now, when the narcissist shouts, screams, it can easily bring about problems with the law. It can also cause physical harm, because easily there's that thin line between violence and that anger, outburst of anger. You see, sometimes there's that thin line between that kind of screaming, yelling, and people even banging their heads, cutting themselves, causing accidents. Again, yelling, screaming, and shouting is associated with feelings of guilt, feelings of loss, feeling of being valueless, being worthless. And then there's that feelings of depression and anxiety again. This shouting, the screaming, the yelling is also associated with suicidal thoughts and behaviors. So, if you are dealing with a narcissist, if you are in a relationship with a narcissist, it's not easy. But one general advice, if you have a narcissist in your life, if possible, get out of that relationship as soon as possible. If not, there are many strategies you can use. You can seek therapy for yourself. You can start learning about narcissistic personality disorder so that you know how to handle them, and you can avoid triggering a narcissistic reaction. And you need also to focus on your well-being, your mental health, and realize that you're not the one to be blamed. And make sure you have make sure you set and enforce boundaries when dealing with a narcissist. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.